Recent studies suggest that shellfish experience discomfort in ways we hadn't fully understood before. Why do we need to change the way we cook crabs and lobsters? Because new research shows they feel pain just like we do. Recent scientific studies have revealed that crustaceans, such as crabs and lobsters, experience and react to pain. Researchers at the University of Gothenburg used EEG-style recordings to measure brain activity in shore crabs. They found increased activity when these crabs were exposed to potential pain, like vinegar or pressure. This discovery suggests that other crustaceans, like shrimp and crayfish, likely feel pain too. And with this knowledge, it's crucial to reconsider our cooking methods. Experts like Dr. Lynn Snedden advocate for more humane ways to handle and cook shellfish, supporting a shift in industry practices and consumer habits. Crustaceans play a vital role in our ecosystems and economies. Yet, current animal welfare laws in the European Union and United States do not protect them. By acknowledging their capacity for pain, we can push for humane treatment and legislation changes. It's time to make compassionate choices for creatures that share our world. Let's start by treating crabs and lobsters with the respect they deserve. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. For more on this story, visit the article on Earth.com from the link in the description below.